Look at this empty town. I wonder how people are going to talk about this in 100 years. What impact it's had on China and all the world. How they're going to talk about it. Because they definitely will. This is the very door. The door that's kept me from the outside world for the past 2 weeks. No, just kidding. I'm not stepping out. And here's me, sipping some coffee after lunch, perfectly happy. I was just taking a break from work, doing some reading, and I'm about to start working in a second. I have actually been thinking for quite a while what to show you in this video. At first I thought of just making a regular vlog, you know, in which I show you how I work from home, how I deal with a slip disc, how I study foreign languages and read, and how I work out and go about my daily chores. And those things are what I actually genuinely enjoy doing. I mean, studying, reading, and drinking pretty much composed a regular day for me, along with working, obviously. So being quarantined is just like doing all of these with a slight change of the venue. But then I felt like I don't feel comfortable talking about it, like making a video showing myself how happy I am during the quarantine, because a lot of people are actually suffering. A lot of people lost their jobs, lost their income, lost their loved ones, or directly or indirectly from COVID, and there's a lot of failures that could have been avoided. There's a lot of anger and frustration on social media, and a lot of fighting and quarreling that should be there. I mean, this discussion should happen. And I feel like I should make a video about how I'm enjoying myself during the quarantine, because it's like Adorno said something like, to write poetry after Auschwitz was barbaric. And I'm facing the same dilemma right here. So I figured maybe I should give some sincere thoughts of mine, share some of my opinions, but I'm not a fan of opinion, and there's no way that I can share all of my sincere opinions with you without getting myself in trouble. So right, I don't believe in opinions. I believe most opinions are biased, and the kind of chaotic confusion is the optimal intellectual equilibrium that one should have. You're constantly doubting yourself without holding a very firm stance on most things. I think that's important, but again, that's an opinion too. So, and right, I'm about to hit 100,000 subscribers on Bilibili and 80,000 subs on YouTube. So I'm thinking of doing a Q&A video. If you have any question about language learning, about me, though there's not much to talk about myself, please leave a comment and I'll try to answer the question in the language you leave the comment in. Goodbye. Wow, this video is fucking heavy.